So this is an activity where students will have a goal, and you can kind of see here there's 4 goals: no tardies, no phones, no AirPods, or in a clean room. And so here there are 3 different classes. You can add more classes if you want to, and I'll kind of walk through how to do that if you do need another class or another couple classes. So this is the scoreboard for the month, and then this one is if you want to do a year scoreboard, and then there is some type of prizes involved as well. So down here is class 1, and you would kind of give students points. So for example, there's 4 different things here, so I was thinking 4 points a day. You could kind of change it though if you wanted to. So today I'm going to say my students got 4 points. So now they're at 8 points total for the week. Let's say tomorrow they only get 3. And then on the 6th, they get 2, and so on. Let's say Friday, they get 8, though. Because sometimes I might try to add some fun challenges within this challenge. So over here are just some ideas. Sometimes I might roll a dice, and those points are worth double. Sometimes I might say, all right, this team gets double the points. Whatever randomly team gets pulled out of a hat or something like that. Also, I might try to use this classroom challenge, and we had a lot of fun, and a lot of people from the community add to it. So right here is a spreadsheet idea. And if you are on here, you can kind of see all you would have to do is click the paint bucket, reset it, and that is the challenge that the students have to do for that day. But here, people in the community are kind of working out different ideas. So you can kind of steal some of these ideas, and you can see all these different ideas as well down here. That are kind of being created for these monthly boards that hopefully we're able to kind of roll out, and you could change that up so that way students would say, I want 3A. You would go to the paint bucket, reset it, and that's the activity that you do for the day. Also on here are the different classes. Again, same setup as class 1, and you would just add those classes points. And then on the scoreboard, you can kind of see it tallying up. Now, every single month, I would just put 21 points, and then I would go in here, reset the dates and the numbers, and then that would be the February one. So again, you do have to manually do the yearly one. So at the end of the month, you'll just come down here, type that in, and then reset your game board for the month. If you want to add another class, you will just duplicate this class, and you'll call it class 4. And then you would reset the numbers if you had numbers in there, but it should be 0. And then right here, I would do 4th equals, and then I go over to the class 4, click that 12 and hit enter. And now their points are coming up. And then I just formatted those colors. So again, 4th, I'm going to go here and put equals, go to my 4th tab, go to this box because I'm looking at the yearly total, and now I have 0. So again, I could just go in here, change that color so that way it is that yellow color, and then everything just kind of matches. So again, if you need more space, you can just kind of move these ones down. You will have to reset these ones if you do that. But again, a fun challenge that you can kind of have between classes, and you can kind of up your game by doing maybe a classroom challenge. Maybe you want to do roll the dice. Maybe you want to do some of those other fun things. So again, students would pick, and then they would go from there. And if a student completes the challenge, they could get an extra point for their team. And building that classroom community can really help your students